electric device in my kitchen. It is dishwasher. Yeah, it is dishwasher. Before, every time I washing dish, I was allergic with dishwashing liquid. I was itching both hands. So my husband helped me every day. After a little time, he realized that is a work very bored. He searched on internet and discovered this washer was for a long time ago. We decided buying it. When we having it every night, I only need 5 minutes set up dishes and turn on. Yeah, it is turned on. The machine helped me washing dish by use hot water and spray strong pressure into this. When finished the cycle, we received this green dish and immediately dry. It is benefit that human hands can't do. Since having it every night, we save 20 minutes. That the time that I can reading book for my children, watching film, or working around together. I think that is quality time for my family, and I really like this washer. Yeah. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. See you again.